Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with, of course, another headband wig review. Now this one is a human hair headband wig. I've been doing those a lot compared to synthetic, but I'm kind of doing both so you guys can see the feel of both human hair and synthetic headband wigs. Now this is from a company that I've worked recently. I believe it's pronounced Pobokix or Pob, whatever, I'm not too sure, but they reached out to me and asked me to review their deep wave headband wig. So of course I brushed it out and all that stuff, so it doesn't look exactly how it came, but of course you guys will see how the wig looked fresh out of the bag. Now you guys know the drill of my wig reviews. Most of the time I show you the construction of the wig, I let you guys know some details about the wig, and then of course I leave you guys with my final thoughts about the wig. So let's go ahead and jump into the video.
I'm feeling high. My money's gone. I'm all alone. Too much music. The world keeps turning. Oh, what a day. What a day, what a day. Peace and passions manifest with every lesson learned. If your knowledge were your wealth, then it would be well earned. And we were made in His image, then call us by our names. Most intellects do not believe in God, but they fear us just the same. Oh, no, no, no. My life keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, no, no, no. All night to the break of dawn. Go on and on and on and on. My life keeps moving like a rolling stone. On and on and on and on. Hey, going underwater with $3 and $6. Yeah, you may laugh, but you did not do your math. Like 1, 2, 3. Damn, y'all feel it? Oh, like 1, 2, 3. The world keeps turning. Oh, what a day! What a day! What a day! The man that knows something knows that he knows nothing at all. Does it seem colder in your summertime and hotter in your fall? If we were made in His image, then call us by our names. Most intellects do not believe in God, but they fear us just the same. Oh, no, 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 no. My life keeps moving like a rolling stone.
as you guys saw from the previous clip, I showed you the construction of this wig. This wig has 4 combs, 2 in the side, 1 in the back, 1 in the front or in the center. Then, of course, this wig has an adjustable strap, and it has the black elastic on the front where you put the headband on. Now, this is the headband that they sent me. Usually the headbands are turban. You know how it's twisted? I decided not to twist it like that. So I just put it flat like this, laid my edges down. So this is how the wig looks. As you guys did see from the previous clip, I did wet the hair a little bit, and I added some of my Cantu cream gel to the hair, and I brushed it out. I just wanted a more brushed out, semi-wet dry kind of look. So this is how the wig looks after brushing it out and all that stuff. So let's see. This is 16 inches. It retails for $59.69. It is 100% Brazilian human hair, no lace front because it is a headband wig. They have inches between, it says they have 16 to 26 inches. The color is natural black. The texture is deep wave human hair, and it's 150 density. Also the cap size is medium size, 22 inches to 22.5 inches. I haven't really noticed any shedding, just a little bit of shedding, not too much, so that's good. Of course, you can straighten this hair if you want. I haven't seen anything as far as like coloring it and all that stuff, but I did provide you guys with the most important details about this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all-around wig. So here it is in the front, 16 inches. Remember, it is deep wave, so technically it shrinks. So this is how it looks in the front. Side. Here's the back. And then here's the other side. So it's really cute. I really do love the headband. As y'all saw, I matched my makeup with the headband, but it is super duper cute. I love the length. It did look cute, you know, originally the deep wave, but of course once you brush it out, it still had that deep wave look, but I just wasn't feeling that today. So, but yeah, the hair is definitely soft. It was soft even before I added product to it. Easy to comb. As you guys can see, my fingers is just going through it. So I want to thank Pobokix. I want to thank them for reaching out to me again, asking me to review another wig for them. I really do appreciate it and hope to continue to work with them in the future. But that is pretty much it for this video. You guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length, texture, all of that good stuff. And of course, make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details about this wig. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. Once again, in case I didn't say it, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.